In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be a Canva template creator. First, open your web browser and head to canva.com. If you don't already see your dashboard, log into your account so your designs save properly and you can access all your projects later. Once you're in, click Create and choose the type of product you want to sell. A logo is a great place to start because it's simple, visual, and always in demand. Inside the editor, start building your design. If you already have brand graphics or inspiration images, open the Uploads tab on the left, click Upload Files, and select the images from your computer. Drop them onto your canvas and position them where they make sense. To add editable text for your buyers, click Add a Text Box, then type what you need, such as a brand name or tagline. Use the toolbar to adjust the font style, size, and color so it's readable and on brand. For a cohesive look, set a background color by clicking the background, opening the color picker at the top, and scrolling to choose a shade that complements your design. When your first page looks good, add a new page. This will be your delivery page. Write a short thank you message and include a clear call to action that points to the template link the buyer will use to make their own editable copy. Now let's generate that link. Click Share, choose Template Link, then Create Template Link and hit Copy. This special link ensures buyers open a fresh copy rather than editing your original. Attach the link to text on your second page so it's easy to access. Select the text you want, open the three dots menu, click Link, paste the template link, then click Done to apply and Done again to close the panel. A quick tip, test the link in a private browser window to confirm it opens a copy, not your master file. When you're ready to deliver the file your customer will receive, go back to Share and choose Download. Pick the file type. PDF Standard works well for a lightweight, printable handout that includes your thank you note and the clickable link. Click Download and save the file somewhere you can find it quickly. From here, repeat the process to build a variety of templates and keep an eye on trends so your catalog stays fresh. Finally, list your templates on marketplaces like Etsy, Rake.ph, or your own website. Use clear thumbnails, concise descriptions, and relevant keywords, and remember to showcase what's editable so buyers know exactly what they're getting. That's it. Your Canva template business is ready to grow.